This is my powder coater's bike, West Coast Powder Coat. This was one of two charging systems that I was able to secure from Will Kidd before he was out of stock on them. You can see we actually have our own charging system running off the crankshaft. This is my number 5 kit, but that's a race set from Piston Bikes from many years ago that got knocked around my shop until I found the right application for it. This thing's a little bit of a beast. It's heavy. That's a steel coffin tank from a motorcycle. You know, there's a lot of weight on this bike with the charging system, the lighting system. Of course, the frame is aluminum, but I got big bars, you know, heavy duty seat. But she runs just like riding a motorcycle. Up to about 20 miles an hour in first, up to about 32 in second, and then drop it into third. And I don't know top end. I'll let the customer tell me. It was still pulling with this. This is my number 5 kit with the balanced crank, single fire ignition, but that is the high performance ignition that I got from Groovy earlier in the year. And that's the VM18. I've found a way. I had a special shim made so that I could use a Treatland offset manifold, and I got it in nice and tight. I don't think I'm going to bother putting air cleaner on. It's just these guys don't hardly ride this bike, and you know, if you get a little bit of dust, it's just going to go right through and right out. You can hear it idles nicely. I don't have a reed and I don't have a chambered pipe. It runs out just fine. You know, I don't know how much they're picking up with all that, but I've never had much success with the reeds, and if you can't do the chambered pipe along with the reed, kind of defeats the purpose. And with these choppers, chambered pipe's just not a good fit. So we just hand bend these to fit the spoiler. You can see this is a gorgeous unit. I got the 180 millimeter in back, and then I just did the 180s in front. I did the mirror matching brakes and just tied them all in up here. 3 brakes into 2 cables. So it's a sweet little ride. I just wanted to show it to you guys. Going back to my powder coaters, go on display in their new shop.